Tired of messy dash cam wires cluttering your car? Worried your dash cam isn't protecting you when you're parked? What if I told you there's a simple, elegant solution that gives you 24/7 peace of mind and a perfectly clean install? Stay tuned, because today we're upgrading your dash cam game. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential upgrade for any dash cam owner, the REDTIGER Dash Cam ACC Multi-Size Hardwire Kit. This isn't just an accessory. It's a foundational piece that transforms your dash cam from a basic recorder into a sophisticated, always-on security system. Get ready to ditch those visible cables and embrace true vehicular vigilance. First up, let's talk about the dreaded dash cam cable clutter. If you've ever wrestled with wires dangling from your cigarette lighter socket, you know the frustration. The REDTIGER Hardwire Kit completely eliminates that mess. It offers a revolutionary hidden wiring solution, allowing you to tuck everything neatly away for a truly professional, factory-installed look. And here's the best part. It comes with its own installation tool. You don't need to be an auto electrician to achieve a seamless, clean setup. Imagine no more unsightly cables obstructing your view or distracting your passengers. Just pure, unobstructed driving vision and a sleek, integrated dash cam that looks like it belongs. It's about enhancing your car's aesthetic and your driving experience. But a clean install is just the beginning. The real power of this kit unfolds when your car is parked. By tapping directly into your car's fuse box, the REDTIGER Hardwire Kit provides a continuous power supply for true 24-hour parking monitoring. This means your dash cam remains vigilant, a silent guardian capturing crucial footage even when your engine is off. Whether it's a parking lot fender bender, vandalism, or an unexpected bump, your dash cam will be there to record it. Now, you might be thinking, won't that drain my battery? Absolutely not. This kit boasts intelligent low-voltage protection. If your car battery drops below a safe threshold of 11.8 V plus 0.2 V, it automatically cuts off power after 60 seconds, preventing any battery drain. So, you get round-the-clock security without ever having to worry about a dead car battery in the morning. That's ultimate peace of mind, wrapped in smart technology. Now, let's talk versatility and a brilliant bonus feature. This kit is engineered for near-universal compatibility, accepting 12V to 24V inputs and reliably delivering a consistent 5V/3A max to your REDTIGER dash cam via its Type-C port. What makes it truly universal? It includes 4 different types of fuse adapters in 2 sets, ensuring a perfect fit across a vast range of vehicles. From sedans to SUVs, you're covered, eliminating any guesswork. And for the ultimate in control and information, this advanced hardwire kit features a built-in voltage readout. Right there, at your fingertips, you can see your car's voltage situation in real time. This isn't just a cool gadget. It's a proactive tool that allows you to monitor your battery's health, giving you confidence and an early warning if something's amiss. It's about staying informed and empowered on every journey. So, if you're ready to elevate your dash cam experience from good to absolutely exceptional, achieve that pristine, wire-free aesthetic, and gain truly comprehensive 24/7 surveillance with intelligent battery protection, the REDTIGER Dash Cam ACC Multi-Size Hardwire Kit is an indispensable upgrade. It's robust, smart, and incredibly easy to integrate, transforming your dash cam into a seamless, high-performance security system. Don't compromise on security or aesthetics. Take control of your vehicle's protection today. You can find the link to this incredible REDTIGER Hardwire Kit, along with all the details, right down